Horses out, you have juggling act. Gets away immediately. El Negro in the middle. And on the outside, Multiply. 2 lengths away for juggling act. Sant Anthony. Then next on line, Yes Pogi and Botbo. Trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. We have juggling act. Goes on by Avalenca and Hapa. El Negro in second. Multiplies running by the third. Then comes Sant Antonio. And on the outside now moving up is juggling act. Then next on line, Yes Pogi. And number 6, Botbo. Gentle Irony by about 2 lengths. El Negro in second. Multiplies running by Drell. Then 2 lengths away in fourth comes juggling act. Sant Antonio 7 lengths away in 6 is the lone local runner for this race. Yes Pogi. And Botbo trails the field by about 10 to 11 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Gentle Irony by Avalenca and Hapa. Multiply now trying to get closer in second. El Negro drives back in third. Juggling is in fourth. Sant Anthony, Yes Pogi, and Botbo. And it's still Gentle Irony by Avalenca. Multiply moving up on the outside. This time, 2 runners matching their strides together. Running by the is Gentle Irony. And on the outside is Multiply. Juggling is racing in third by a gap of 4 lengths. Then comes Sant Anthony, El Negro, Yes Pogi, and Botbo. Now we have Multiply ranging about the outside now by Avalenca and Hapa. Gentle Irony drives back in second. Juggling Yes Pogi now trying to get closer in fourth as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Multiply by about 5 lengths. Yes Pogi now moving up to take second. Last 50 meters. We have Multiply followed now by Yes Pogi, and finally it's Multiply. Yes Pogi, Gentle Irony, then comes Botbo, Anthony, and El Negro.
Na-diskarte ng ayos ni Jeff yung si Multiply.